Get the hair you've always wanted, no harmful chemicals, no parabens, no sulfates. Gluten Free Active Wow has grown to become a revolutionary company focused on sourcing the highest quality nutrients and botanicals. The shampoo is formulated specifically to tackle issues related to hair loss and thinning. Active Wow Restorative Shampoo goes right to the source of hair loss in both men and women, and actively heals and restores follicles at their roots in order to help produce and maintain fuller, stronger hair. Appropriate for both men and women, many of the botanical ingredients in Active Wow have been shown to improve hair health when used regularly. If you have sensitive skin or are prone to allergic reactions, please test Active Wow shampoo on a small area of skin to gauge if you have adverse reactions to the product. If your skin develops any adverse reactions, please discontinue use. A natural blend of organic botanical ingredients, scientifically formulated by hair care professionals to restore healthy hair and prevent hair loss. The best of science and nature, made in the USA and contains no harmful chemicals. Cruelty-free product tested only on humans with the intent and goal of restoring hair and giving our users the fullest, natural soft hair alongside a beautiful sheen unmatched with other formulas. Organic botanical extracts not only repair damaged follicles, but get the root of the issue and promote a healthier scalp, rejuvenating your scalp with every wash in order to stimulate cell growth and reverse damage caused by chemicals and the sun. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.